Hi, Kevin here with Costa Rica Investment Properties, showing you today's opportunity. So we've got another opportunity here for either an investment property or something that you could live in by a well-known builder developer. Below in the links we'll have some of the other properties that they've done. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you through this 2-level, being 1 unit, downstairs and upstairs for the millennials, digital nomads, and of course if you want to purchase for your own owner-occupied property. We'll show you all the floor plans below in the description and through this video. Enjoy the tour. This boutique 5-plex ticks a lot of boxes: location, diversity, and price that features concrete block construction, sustainability, gated community, 2 car spots per unit, pool area, and high ceilings. Feel free to choose your own floor plan as shown. Studio downstairs with either a 1 or 2 bedroom upstairs floor plan for great ROIs, or simply enjoy a very nice 2-level, 2 bedroom, 2 bath layout with large living and lounge areas on the ground floor. As always, please contact us with any questions you may have on this great investment opportunity.